Welcome to the fascinating world of wig manufacturing made from banana stem fiber. Today, we will explore how an agricultural byproduct is transformed into an eco-friendly and sustainable hair solution. From freshly harvested banana stems to finished wigs, this documentary reveals each step of a process where nature, innovation, and craftsmanship come together. Our story begins in the lush banana plantations, where the journey of these fibers starts.
How does the firmness feel on this stem?
It's good quality, the fibers are long and strong. Secure that side tightly.
Yes, almost done.
All right, let's move out.
In the next phase of production, the freshly harvested banana stems are prepared for the crucial extraction of fibers. This step involves cutting the tigers into precise, uniform pieces, ensuring consistency and quality throughout the entire process. Now, we arrive at one of the most crucial stages of banana stem fiber production, the extraction of the fibers themselves. After the fibers have been carefully extracted from the banana stems, the next crucial step is to ensure they are clean and free of any remaining impurities. This is where the process of washing and rinsing begins, removing all traces of sap, pulp, and any unwanted materials. Once the banana fibers have been cleaned, the next critical step is drying, removing any remaining moisture to ensure that the fibers are light, mold-free, and ready for the next phase of production. The drying process is as much an art as it is a science, requiring careful attention to ensure the fibers maintain their natural integrity. After drying, the banana fibers are still quite stiff and coarse, but the next crucial step transforms them into something far more refined. This is where the fibers undergo a process of softening and conditioning, making them more flexible and closer in texture to human hair. Now that the fibers have been softened and treated, the next step in the process is carding, a vital technique to ensure the fibers are aligned and prepared for the final transformation into high-quality products. This step is similar to what's done with wool or cotton, where the fibers are carefully separated, untangled, and aligned. Now that the fibers are perfectly aligned and ready, we move on to a creative yet essential phase, dyeing. In this step, the fibers are transformed into a colorful, vibrant material that will eventually become hairpieces, wigs, or other eco-friendly products. Through dyeing, The natural fibers are given their final hues from subtle earth tones to bold, eye-catching colors. After the fibers have been dyed to perfection, it's time for the final treatment, ensuring they remain soft, shiny, and in top condition for their transformation into high-quality products. This last step is all about preserving the natural beauty and smooth texture of the fibers. Now that the fibers have undergone the full process of softening, dyeing, and final treatments, it's time to bring them to life in their final form, whether as extensions, wigs, or other eco-friendly products. This is the last step in the journey, where the fibers are transformed into wearable pieces that are both functional and beautiful.
The adhesion rate is holding steady at 99%.
Excellent. Maintain current speed. Lightweight, incredibly shiny, and completely sustainable. Our banana fiber wigs are styled and ready for shipment.
Make sure the layers blend seamlessly right here.
Got it. We need to maintain that smooth, polished look.
Now you've seen the entire process of making wigs from banana stem fiber, from agricultural waste to a sustainable hair solution. If you watched until the end, type wigs in the comments and tell us, which manufacturing process would you like to discover next? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next documentary.